Today I will make another recipe which is Pappu, South Indian Pappu, and this is Bengali channel. So the dal name is Araahar Dal, made with spinach and tamarind, and this is South Indian special, and this goes with ghee. So welcome to Jayasree Kadai Katha, and today we'll know how to make this Pappu, Palakura Pappu, which is Telugu authentic recipe. And we'll be eating this with plain rice, and how we serve it I'll show you in the video. Then we'll start the recipe. See how beautiful the dal looks, so colorful and so healthy. Spinach is very have a lot of vitamins of iron, minerals, all those things. And I have made a cup of rice and then pour the dal. And let's see how we make the recipe. I've taken tur dal 70 grams, soak it in water, wash it and soak it in water, and let it stand for half an hour to 1 hour. If you have enough time, you can soak in the morning session. After that, take a cooker, put all the dal in that, and put some more water, then close the lid. In another kadai, I have taken little oil, then put the tempering of red chili whole. When it turns red, I'll add cumin seed and then mustard seeds. Always remember to keep the seeds in hand because you should not allow the red chili whole to get charred. Before that, I'll put the green chili and garlic, ginger garlic. Now I'll saute it. I'm putting the curry leaves and all the onion and saute it for some time, say 5 minutes. And after that, I'll put the tomato and saute along with salt, turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, spicy red chili powder, and saute it so that it takes in the color and the flavor of the masala with all the ingredients what is been put, and ginger chopped. Now then cover it and cook it for some time so that the tomato mashes up. For making the tomato pulpy, you have to cover it little bit always, because what it is becoming is chopping masala. Whenever any dal is made, we have to make chopping masala. With that, you have to put the dal, then put the variety of ingredient you want to add, like spinach for spinach pappu, like dosakai for dosakai pappu, Okay, so I put the spinach now and then cook it along with the chopping gravy or chopping masala. This is chopping masala is South Indian style because curry leaves is added, or else the chopping masala will not have curry leaves. That is the only difference. And other than that, this chopping masala is for South Indian, so South Indian mustard is has been added. But in North Indian, this mustard seed doesn't comes. So that is the tip of the day for Jayasree Kadai Katha. So I'm adding the cooked boiled Toor dal and cook it along with the masala till done. Put some more little water which is sticking to the cooker. Nicely rinse and put it in the this dal. Allow the dal to boil. See how beautiful the color is. And then I have to add tamarind pulp because this is pappu, so tamarind pulp is a must. All dal of South Indian kind like pappu basically will have tamarind pulp and ghee. That is a must. So cover the lid and cook it for 6 minutes slowly, slow fire. So when this done, see it's really cooked well and the color has really come out well. So I'll put the dal in a borosil container. See how beautiful it is looking. So beautiful, colorful, flavorful with all the ingredients. I've made a katori made of rice. I'm putting the dal in the rice bowl. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And this is the recipe with the ingredients and a short description, cooking time and number of portion I've totally given and the utensils used. So please see the recipe so that you would have any doubt can be clarified. If something you want to talk to me, or please leave a comment. I would love to answer those comments. Bye bye for now. Take care.